Welcome back to the video library. Today we're going to be discussing how to use the waitlist feature in the Club Profit Starter Hub module. To use the waitlist feature, we need to navigate to a time that the individual would like to golf. As we can see here, we're pretty booked up between about 10:15 and 1:45. This individual wants to get out around 12:30, so I'm going to click the time for the amount of golfers there are waiting. For this scenario, I'm going to click a twosome at 12:30. As we can see, it is booked, but we highlight the time that they intend to golf or would like to golf. After we highlight the time, you can either right-click and find waitlist, or you can go to waitlist on the right-hand side. As we can see here, waitlist. This number indicates how many people we have on the waitlist already. But for this scenario, we're going to hit waitlist. It's going to pull up the booking reservation screen, but it'll look a little different. To find the individual, we can just search for the name. For example, Test Bob. And Test Bob is bringing someone new, so we're going to actually add somebody new here in the Add New. And we're going to fill out the information. This course here requires first name and last name only. So we're going to fill that in. We're also going to put his email. And we got his phone number as well. This individual is just going to be a retail class public. So now that we got his information, everything he'd like to give us, and the things that the course requires us to get, we're going to hit OK. We're going to put in our employee PIN for this scenario. And we're going to hit OK. Now, they did not replace the people at 12:30. They just simply went down to the bottom in the wait list. As we can see here, we got somebody waiting for 1 o'clock, and we got 2 people waiting for 12:30. You may see this box down here or not, depending on if your course has this open or not. But as we can see here, if you do have this closed, just to get a little bit more of a space to view here, it does indicate you have a wait list, just the same as over here on the wait list button. To view that more, just click the caret up, and we'll see the wait list tab here and the people that are waiting. So let's say these people did actually cancel out for 12:45. Although it wasn't their intended time, they're still sticking around. So we can actually find the people that wanted that slot and hit apply. Since we selected the time that we want it to go to, they're going to directly go to that. You can see here now the 2 individuals that were on the wait list are now in their appropriate slot, and they're going to get out and golf today. And that is how you use the waitlist function for the Starter Hub module in the Club Profit system. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support.